Alright YouTube, let's change an outlet. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver to take the plate off. The plate's probably going to be stuck. This one wasn't. There you go. And a Phillips screwdriver, most likely, to get these off. It's screwed into the box. Normally you could touch these two tabs here without getting electrocuted. Now let me show you here. Past all the dust. You got your white, which is normally your neutral or your ground, and your black, which is always, or damn near always, your hot. Your hot goes on your gold, and your neutral, your white, goes on your silver screws. This down here is copper, but it's been painted over, is your ground. We got our neutral, back that out, and our ground. And take your needle nose pliers, just be careful where you touch and you'll be fine. See how it's closed in there? We want to use our needle nose, separate that a little bit so we can get it off. There. Straighten that out a little bit. And bend it away from everything else. Same thing with the ground. Now you're left with your hot. Get that ground wire out of there. That would not be good. There we go. Now you take your new outlet, you got your silver, see your silver screws and your gold screws on the other side. Put your ground in first. Ground is always going to be the green screw. Close that up. First your ground, then your neutral. Let's curve that some more. You might as well close, even if you only have one set of wires, you might as well put the other screw in too, just so it's not hitting the box. I'm not always going to have a plastic box like I got here. Okay, let's straighten this up a little bit. Can't see nothing, can you? There we go. There you go. You're basically done. You got these wires here. Screw them together a little bit so I can push them in that box. Now with these plastic boxes, you want to be real careful that you don't cross thread these holes, because once you do, you're pretty much screwed. And as you're screwing it in, make sure that it's going in straight, not, you know, tilted this way or tilted that way. Always get it right about there, right where it's just touching the wall, but you can still move it. And then just make sure it's straight, up and down, and screw it the rest of the way. There, and the plate. Hello. And screw. There she be.